Damn, 2 wickets inside the power play. How to T20 चा राजा आहे. No Guju bhais at the crease and doing what they do the best. Akshar Patel ने लगा दिया है छक्का and the total has reached 170. We still have 2 more balls to go. Come on, Patel bhai. Butler's gone. First ball of Akshar, Butler's gone. 19th हमारा day नहीं था, लेकिन 29th will be our day. Mark my words. Josh Butler, what have you done? You put India to bat first. All right, it's semi-final number 2 and revenge number 2. That's right, revenge number 2 for India, because we took the number 1 revenge for the 23 World Cup against Australia, and now we're taking the revenge against England for the 22 World Cup semi-final, the T20 semi-final that we lost against England. And coincidentally, Virat Kohli hasn't played any T20 game against England since then, so this one's going to be a very important one for him. High voltage drama indeed. It's going to be awesome. Thank God the match is happening. I'm sure we're going to be at the victorious end of it, so it's not going to be anything bad for us that, the rain hasn't stopped the play. It's going to be good. We can prove the fact that we have gone to the finals because we are worthy of it. So let's see what happens. Do enjoy the reactions with me. We'll watch the whole match together. Let's go, India. Josh Butler, Josh the boss, won the toss, but he chose to bowl. India wanted to bat anyway, as Rohit Sharma said. He wanted to put up a total on board and then defend it, and that's what they're doing, batting first. Welcome to Cricket Flavors, everyone. Do like and subscribe to my channel for more such reaction videos, and let's enjoy this one. Kohli's gone. Bowled him, yaar. What's happening this World Cup? 1-6 is all he could manage. Damn, Topley's taken his wicket. चौका फाइनली एक चौका लग गया है रोहित शर्मा. I like those dresses these West Indian ladies wear. They're dancing. Finally, Rohit Sharma's found his timing. Another one, another 4. Beautiful one on the offside. Offside पे इनको ज़्यादा problem हो रहा था. There was a post today from Punjab Kings about how it's a semi-final where their team players are playing like Sam Curran and Josh Butler, and they were like, well, guys, we're not backing you today because we're Indians. Pant is gone. I was talking nonsense and Pant is gone. Damn, 2 wickets inside the power play. Curran's taken his wicket. Hello? I don't know if this is the absolutely correct approach of being aggressive no matter what, because if you're losing wickets, don't you think you should be a little less aggressive and try to stay on the wicket a little bit more and try to make the most of the balls you're getting? Because if you just keep getting aggressive and keep getting out, then like how it happened in that Pakistan match where you bundled out in the 20th over, 1 over to spare, you were all out. Power play score, and the power play was 56, and now 4 on the first ball, 7th over. भाई बारिश चालू हो गई है यार. It's raining again. Mr. 360 छक्का पीछे मारा. सूर्या का number 1 spot आज head ने ले लिया. He must try to get it back, Surya. Come on. Number 1 T20 batter. Right after that rain stop, India is still going decently strong. It's halfway down, 10 overs, and our score is 77 for 2. Surya and Rohit are still there. I hope they are there for a little longer and also accelerate. And we get a total of 180 to 200 will be a good score. 180 is a par score is what they have been saying in the break. So let's see where India lands. Oh, what a shot, Surya. Out of the park. 97 now. क्या छक्का लगाया यार. मस्त. भाव तो T20 चा राजा है. कोई बात नहीं, अगर तेरा पोजीशन छिन गया है ट्रेविस हेड से तो उससे छीन लेना जल्दी ही, बल्कि क्या पता इसी मैच के बाद. ओहो हो क्या छक्का है. What a 6 and what a way to bring about your half century. Rohit Sharma, you're the best. Come on, 104 for 2. So the last over actually went for 19 runs. Both the batters got 1-6 each and Surya got a 4 also. So a good over. बेचारा सैम करन थोड़ा पिट गया है, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं यार, चलता है. आफ्टर ऑल हमें जीतना है. अरे यार, रोहित बोल्ड हो गया. Spinner got his wicket. He tried to hit it and missed it completely. थोड़ा slow था ball and stumps. Bowled him. ऑफ द मार्क जाना ना कोई हार्दिक से दिखे, क्या ग्लोरियस चौका लगाया यार टू गेट ऑफ द मार्क. 15.4 एंड सूर्या इज बैक इन द पवेलियन. ही ट्राई टू एक्सेलरेट, ट्राई टू हिट इट, लेकिन आउट हो गया है, कॉट आउट. द मोमेंट ही हिट इट, इट वाज एविडेंट दैट इट्स नॉट गोना गो ऑल द वे. ओनली अ मिरेकल वुड हैव सेव्ड हिम, बट नहीं हुआ, आउट हो गया है. बोथ सेट बैटर्स आर गॉन नाउ, रोहित एंड सूर्या. हार्दिक ने स्टार्ट तो किया है, बट or only 4.2 overs are left after this one, and the score is only 124 for 4. And in the break they were saying at par total would be around 180. तो अभी इंग्लैंड थोड़ा सा हावी हो रहा है इंडिया के ऊपर. sheer par, such a hard thing to do on this surface according to the commentators. इतने टाइम के बाद फाइनली एक बाउंड्री लगी है और हार्दिक पांड्या ने लगाया है छक्का. बड़ा ब्यूटीफुल पावरफुल शॉट. I like the way the people are going like this, the crowd. All right, that's one more six. It could have been a catch, but that would have been like an Akshar Patel like catch in the last match. नहीं, छक्का लगा. वो अक्षर पटेल ही कर सकते हैं भाई, तुम लोग नहीं कर सकते. 2 sixes on the trot, 146 suddenly the score, and the at par score now looks much more doable. I did one more time, but इस बार नहीं हुआ successful. He didn't get the elevation and he is out. बहुत ज़्यादा flat six था, बहुत ज़्यादा low था, तो catch हो गया. But he's done his job and gone, yeah, because we just have 2 more overs to go after this one. Like चला गया. 2 more overs to go after this one, and he's accelerated and gone. He's going with a smile on his face, so that's a good thing. Good job, Hardik. अरे भाई ये क्या है यार, दुबे आते ही चला गया यार. अच्छा खासा मोमेंटम दिया था उस बेचारे हार्दिक पांड्या ने, तुमने उसको वापस कुछ तो मार जाते हैं यार. निक लगा के कीपर को दिला दिया. नॉनसेंस. दुबे ने डुबा दिया. कितना आगे लेके जाते हैं देखते हैं. इट्स ऑलरेडी क्लोज टू 150. वी वर होपिंग फॉर अ 165 170. दैट वुड बी अ गुड टोटल अकॉर्डिंग टू रवि शास्त्री. ऑलराइट, जडेजा ब्यूटी 4. क्या चौका मारा है, मस्त. थैंक्स टू जड्डू भाई, स्कोर हैज टच्ड ऑलमोस्ट 160. तो बढ़िया से चौके लगाए यार जड्डू भाई ने, मजेदार पेनल्टीमेट ओवर में. अब लास्ट ओवर है एंड जड्डू भाई विल बी ऑन स्ट्राइक अगेन. हाउ फार कैन यू पुश इट जड्डू भाई? कम ऑन, टेक इट टू 175. कम ऑन. जॉर्डन इज बॉलिंग द लास्ट ओवर नाउ. ही हैज बीन अ लिटिल मोर एक्सपेंसिव देन द रेस्ट ऑफ द बॉलर्स. 2 ओवर में ऑलरेडी उन्होंने 25 रन करवा दिए हैं, बट ही इज टेकन 2 विकेट्स ऑल्सो. सो let's see what India does. No, Gujju bhai is at the crease and doing what they do the best. Akshar Patel ने लगा दिया है छक्का and the total has reached 170. We still have 2 more balls to go. Come on, Patel भाई. इंडिया का जो अप्रोच बन गया ना, बस मारो और आउट हो गया तो कोई बात नहीं, वो ही हुआ. एक और मारने की कोशिश की और कॉट हो गया. अब लास्ट बॉल है, छक्का एक लगना चाहिए यार. Closer to 180 the better. 171 for 7 in 20 overs. Not that bad क्योंकि 165 170 बोल रहे थे, but before the wicket turned so slow thanks to the rain, 180 at par बोल रहे थे, so it's not that bad I guess. And we know India can defend it. We have Bumrah and we have others who are playing the supporting role, a very brilliant supporting role, Arshdeep and the spinners. So hopefully this will be a very easily defendable total. but हाँ, हम लोग नहीं काउंट कर सकते हैं इंग्लैंड की बैटिंग को भी. दे हैव जॉस बटलर एंड द फिल सॉल्ट एंड द जॉनी बेयरस्टोज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. बस अर्ली विकेट्स में अगर इन लोगों को आउट कर दिया तो बस वी आर इन द गेम. बटलर ऑन फायर, 26 पे चला गया है. स्कोर एट द एंड ऑफ 3 overs. अर्शदीप को 3 चौके लगा दिए पिछले ओवर में. बटलर, बेयरस्टो एंड सॉल्ट, इनको आउट कर दिया तो लाइव जिंगा लाला. Butler gone, first ball of Akshar, Butler gone, Butler's gone, Butler's gone, first ball of Akshar, Butler's gone. Boom, 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 rah, boom, 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 rah. Reason why he's a master, because he's so good. जो thinking cricketer, pace slow कर दिया और bowled him मस्त यार. We are so lucky that we live in the era of Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli and boom, boom, Bumrah. Besto also gone, bold. Akshar Patel इतना स्लो था बॉल, मुझे लग रहा था ये तो जा ही नहीं रहा है. ठक करके gone on the stumps. मस्त यार. Besto gone for a duck. 3 down inside the power play and not much of a score, and the powerful 3 are gone. Salt, Butler and Besto. So who do you think is winning? End of power play score 39 for 3. Amazing stumping by पंत को पता नहीं उसने और वो शायद तो हो गया बिकॉज आई थिंक मोइन अली इज आल्सो वॉकिंग ऑफ पोजीशन पेंडिंग कम ऑन ये डन फोर डाउन स्टम्प्ड मोइन अली and ball Azhar was a really quick one. It's put kaise? Sam Curran, who's been given out, although he's taken the review, the body language suggests that he's gone. Plum, yeah, Plum. I was right, it's Plum hitting the middle stump. Come on, dude, God! Woo-hoo. India all over England like a rush at the moment. That's Ravi Shastri for you. 49 for 5. So Harry Brook has scored a 4, and so it's been a while. And he's the only player, I guess, that is between India and victory and defeat and England. Halfway mark, score is 62 for 5. Brook is still there, giving a little bit of a trouble to the Indian bowlers. Well, I'm sure he's going to go soon. Bye-bye, Brook. He's gone. Kuldeep's taken his wicket. Bowled him. 6 down. 11th over going on. Harry Brook's gone for 25 from 19 balls, and England in deep trouble. Who was saying that India doesn't want that match to happen because they're scared of the defending champions? Who was saying that India would prefer it to be a washout? I actually wanted this match to happen because I knew this will happen and this will shut those people up. Dev Yadav is on fire. He's appealed, been given out, taken a review once again. It's 72 and very nearly 7 down because I'm pretty sure I was out too. Not very plumb. Maybe slightly towards the right, which means it's hitting the off stump, maybe? Oh yes, the wickets are the umpire call because it is not. Well, I was right, it was a little maybe hitting the off stump, and that's the reason why it's an umpire's call, but out. So 7 down, 72 for 7. How many runs are we winning this by? Beta confusion, both the batters had reached the same end, and then this guy ran back, but not in time. Hey, yeah, that's just one more run out. तो पता भी नहीं था, just casual run ले रहे थे, direct hit and it's out. 9 down. It's only the 16th over going on. Jeffrey Archer खुद तक निकाल रहा है sixes मार के, किसी और ने नहीं किया, अब मैं करूँगा अपनी बैटिंग. पता है कि 9 down है, जीत तो सकते नहीं है, but I will show that I am a good batter. Fingers gone out, they've given out, it's all out, but they're just checking because they've taken a review. So let's see. It's Bumrah. So what do you think? It's that toe-crushing Yorker of his. Yeah, there is no way it's not out. Umpires call again, and it's out. We have done it. We are into the finals. We are going to get this trophy home. 19th हमारा day नहीं था, लेकिन 29th will be our day. Mark my words. We're gonna win it. Come on, ICT fans, show me some love and let's celebrate the victory of India marching into the finals. I'm sure we're the ones who are going to be breaking it. I'm sure we're the one who's going to be winning that trophy. Aren't you? Do let me know in the comments. Do subscribe to my channel and like this video for more such videos. Have a great day, everyone. Let's go, India. Bye-bye.